In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shop Now button on your Facebook page, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. You know very well that in this channel, we just dive right into the content you are looking for without wasting your precious time, okay? Now, after logging into your Facebook application, click on your profile picture to the right, okay? Then, you want to navigate to the page that you want to manage. I want to manage the second page here, Okotech Solutions. Just tap on it. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is click on your profile picture to the left, this one here. Then tap on the three dots here to the right. Then click on viewers. Currently, you can see that I do not have the Shop Now button, but we are going to add it in a while, okay? Now click on the arrow back button. Then refresh. Okay, click on the arrow back button, sorry for that. Then click on edit action button. Then tap on edit buttons. Okay, now scroll down. Then check view shop. Now tap on set up Facebook shop. Now you will be required to enter your email here to get instruction on how to set up your Facebook page. By doing this, you'll be able to add Shop Now button on your Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, remember to like the video, and if you are not subscribed already, just do me a favor and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss when we upload a new video. Thank you.